Welcome to this new Gravolive. I would like to present you today the AS8000 machine, which is our biggest milling machine. We are realizing today a kickboxing trophy made with a big plate and two small plates that are attached to a belt. These trophies are made in brass, and you can see here 4 plates in brass. We fixed the brass plates on the machine plate using a double-sided tape. This is very important to fix correctly the plates to avoid them to move, to have a very clean and perfect engraving. You can see that we are using here a chip collector nose to have our space clean. I would like to present you a functionality from the CAM module of Gravostyle called the sequence. This functionality combines different tools, different size of tools in the toolpath. It uses big tools like this one to mill inside the shapes, and it uses small tools like the one that is inside the machine currently to create the details, as you can see here. This functionality, the sequence from the CAM module of Gravostyle, make you save time. Here is the Gravostyle job. Now let me go inside the CAM module. I use the sequence toolpath, and you can see here in brown the big tool and in pink the small tool. And now let me present you the result. Here we have 8 different belts. We are going to put paint inside brass and we get this result. And now let's continue the production and see you for another Gravolive.